Well, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you've not been here before, I'm Goose, and today it's just a little short ride over to Clive to get a warrant on Esther. Here she needs one every 6 months because she's an older girl, 1989, and get it all squared away because on Monday we're heading away again for another little adventure, a 3-day ride up through Te, then over down to the Waikato Gorge. So looking forward to that. And the other thing is we're doing just a wee test today. I've got a new microphone, and for a while now I've been concerned that I'm only getting a mono on my helmet microphone. And the microphone that I had was supposedly stereo, so bit the bullet, got a new microphone and altered some settings in on the GoPro itself, and the quick test that I did at home, it seemed to come up stereo. So hopefully this ride will prove the point and we'll have good audio from now on. So just coming to the little village of Miani. Go through the old Plumpton Park Hotel, or Miani Pub as most of us know it. So here's a little public golf course, 9 holes at Awatoto. Played a round or two there back in the day. Probably got round at about 110 without, that includes kicks and throws. Yeah, it's only a little 9-hole course. Well, out to the beach, very nice too. They've developed it a bit, but still a lot of slash left there from Cyclone Gabriel, and that's almost 2 years ago now. The Ravensdown fertiliser works. Quite a big concern there. They had a fire there in that chimney there, I believe, which got fairly exciting for a little while. And out there is Hawke's Bay, and I'm not sure if the GoPro picks it up, but I'll come along a little bit, might get it, because out over there is Cape Kidnappers. Okay, today's verse comes from the book of Psalms, chapter 84 and verse 12. And that says, O Lord of hosts, blessed is the man who trusts in you. Now we're just coming into the little village of Clive. Rugby grounds over there. There's been some hard fought battles there over the years. Over the Clive River. The rowing club here is very, very strong. They've produced some world champions. The Everswindell sisters come to mind. Right, Here we go. Let's see. We can wake somebody up after the lunch. There's a park right here. That's cool. G'day bro, how are you?
Holy moly, what is this?
This is my Zimmer frame with a blimmin' old lazy boy on the back.
How much cc?
That's 1500. Yeah. Yes, he's nice, man. Right, so there we are on our way home. Got the warrant. No problems, the old girl just flies through them. Mind you, we keep her up to date as well. We had a wee bit of a spit while we were doing it too, so that wasn't on the menu for today. Back over the Clive River. Okay, there we are. We've got a warrant on Esther and the helmet mic seems to be working really well, so that's cool. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Don't forget to ride free, and of course, God bless.